Well, uh, unfortunately, I can't show you what I've done in that garden bed yet, but because it's so hard to record and do stuff, so I've got a basic plan here of what I want to put into the into this bed. So I want to. Gosh, I'm gonna step on this. Oh, damn it! I came out with my other slippers, and it's gonna get filled with mud like my other shoe. So I'm just gonna change that quickly. Yeah, that's better. Right. So first, maybe I should put this euphorbia in because I'm so afraid. Oh my god, it's already got the sap coming out. This thing is dangerous. I've had it go in my eye, and believe me, I've read about it. It's so toxic, whatever. But I didn't think it was as bad as what it was until it happened to me. It took 5 hours, yeah, probably like 4.5 hours to come right. My eye burned. I don't know, I've never felt anything like that. And I just immediately felt the difference in that type of burn. Ugh, so I don't want it anywhere near my eye. So I'm just mixing some normal succulent potting mix with this. I need to keep my head away from this thing. God, it is scary. So if you work with the euphorbia, please remember to wash your hands properly. I'm wondering if I should just wash my hand before I continue with any other plants. Right. Yay, one down. And this particular area, I want it to be spilling over the side. Oh, lucky I brought this tool because I thought I'll just dig it with my hand, but this is so helpful. I didn't take my advice, but anyway, I've got gloves. I must just be mindful that I must not touch my face. Once I put these up, I will show you a picture of what it looks like. Oh, I love it. It's already looking so good. Oh, maybe just a bit more deep. Right. Oh, that is so lovely. Yeah, let me do the cactus next. Cactus. Right here. I don't know what kind of roots this thing has. Alright. I've got more of this, what sand it's called, turf sand here than normal soil. But that's fine because I don't want any of these plants to rot here, especially with our rainy winter and the next 6 days of expected rain. Oh, there, I'm touching my hair, and that is how it got me the last time. The smoky sap got in my hair, and my hair went in my eye, and it was the worst thing ever. Ouch! Yeah. Ow! This cactus. Why? Ow! 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 This thing is making sure it wants to get me. Right. It's in there. The spike got through my glove. This thing is vicious. I usually leave it out, slow poking me. Right. There's a punt here. Put it here maybe. Just put it next to it. This is what happens. We keep touching our face, getting all this spikes. Yeah, I should put this puntia here so it'll deter me from ever coming next to this euphorbia. Oh no, I should put it next to this. Just put it here. That looks too symmetrical. I'll put it there. Ow. I don't want to go too close to this spiny cactus. Right, I think I shall do the rest of this bed and then show you an update.